What's going on mga kuya? So, meron tayong package dito na i-unbox. So, kanina pang umaga dumating to pero talagang hindi ko pa yung buksan. Medyo galing tayo sa party kahapon kaya groggy po tayo. Hindi ako nakauwi ng bahay dahil sa sobrang kalasingan. Pero, eto, subukan natin buksan. Gusto ko buksan kasi 2 months ko nang hinihintay ito eh. I ordered this May pa. So, ngayon lang dumating umaga. So, gusto ko nang buksan talaga. Tara, buksan natin. Welcome back mga boys. So, ngayon bubuksan ko na to. Ang tagal na nating hinihintay ito eh. 2 buwan na eh. So, shoutout kay Maestro Gupetero at saka kay Shano Barbero. Sorry. Alam nyo na kung bakit. Pero eto na mga boys. Buksan natin. Ay, nagpapa-shoutout pala si Papa Jun. Shoutout sa iyo, Papa Jun. So, ano ba talaga ito mga boys? Bakit ang tagal 2 buwan? Eh, kasi naman yung COVID na yan. Abala sa mga ano natin. So, buksan natin to. So, ito na nga yung most anticipated trimmer year 2020. So yun na mga koys, nagkaroon na rin tayo ng VGR V082. So this is from VGR. And this is a skeleton 360 exposed blade just like Babyless. So it's super trim professional with the VGR logo on the front. And professional blades, 1500 milliamp hour lithium battery. It's cord or cordless. And USB charging. So hindi ko alam, I don't know if this is type C or so. Of course this is made in China. So charging hours is 2.5 hours and 300 minutes operating time. So you will receive a hair trimmer cup and 3 pieces of guide combs, brush. So it's not USB type C, okay? It's not USB. It's not Type C. Let's open this. Okay. Slide the box. Then open this. All right. Okay. So it's still covered. Wow, this is premium trimmer. This looks really premium. Napakaganda pala nito. Hindi ko in-expect na masyadong premium yung dating nito. So the weight is heavy. Okay, it's good in the hand. You have this. Whoa, wait. So you will receive this trimmer with a T-wide replica blades. So you have the VGR logo here, the VGR navigator. So this is more likely a Wahl T-wide blade. So it has deeper tooth and exposed blade. Okay. So ayan, maritime gold here. Then black mat. So this is anti-slip, and it's the super trim professional with the logo VGR. So you have the charging port here. So this is not Type C, and you have the power button here. So again, let's make a sound check. Okay, this is very quiet. Let's see on the camera, the blade moves fast. So okay, it's good. Pero let's check yung gap niya. So this is the gap. This is close enough. Okay. This is not zero gap. I don't know if this is fully charged, but this is already fast. So, tingnan natin yung ano pala mga laman nito mga boys. Talagang bibilisan ko na to. Dahil nahihilo na ako eh. So, ayan yung mga guide combs niya. Then it comes with a cover if you don't want exposed blade. So okay, now you can cover the exposed blade here or the rotor, so there will be no hairs coming inside the motor of this trimmer. So you will get this cover, or whatever you prefer. You can take this out, and this user's manual and brush, and without oil. You have the USB charger here. So let's try to charge this. Okay, if you charge this trimmer, then it will turn red. You have the charging indicator here. I don't know, maybe it will turn green later, but we will see. But let's turn it on again. So the same speed. So I want to compare this on my China brand trimmers. So this is the Jim trimmer. Okay, that's fast. This is the Sonar. This is also fast trimmer. So this is my body trimmer. If you want to see the modification of this trimmer, just browse my old videos and you will see there. So this is the body trimmer. Let's compare the run of this. So both of them are running. So you can barely see which trimmer runs faster. So it's almost the same. It's almost the same. And this is my Kemei 1971 modified with Andis T-outliner blade. If you want to see the modification of this trimmer, just click or just browse my old videos again. Thank you. And the power button is here. So that's the blade. That's the run test. Okay. So these three trimmers, these three skeleton trimmers are almost the same, but this VGR runs smoother. So let's make a quick test on this trimmer, on this bulky hair. So I am removing the bulk, so cutting the bulk, actually making my first guideline. So again, this trimmer has deep tooth blade, so you can barely cut bulk using this trimmer. So as you can see, this is great for balding. So it doesn't snag the hair, it doesn't pull the hair. It has enough power to cut the hair. But the problem is it's not really zero gap, so you cannot get a very sharp line using this trimmer. So I am showing you the stock blade or out in the box trimmer. So this is the performance of this trimmer. But wait, on my next video, I will going to show you how to modify this trimmer. So please stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe, because you're gonna see how this trimmer works perfectly or works better after modification. So the only thing that I notice here, the blade is very thick. So the blade should be modified. So in compared to Wahl Detailer blade, so the Wahl Detailer is thinner. So now you can see this trimmer is good for outline or doing guidelines, but for sideburns, you really have to work. This will not really hit on sideburns. So, but this is a very good trimmer for $15 or $16. This is out in the box testing. So for the worth of money, this is already good. So let's make a quick look using my Buddha trimmer. This is already modified with Wahl twide blade. So look how sharp the lines are. Okay, this is zero gap already. So you can see this is more good for balding, and I'm going to try to attack these sideburns. And look at this. So this is very sharp. This is more sharper than the stock blade of VGR. Of course, this is Wahl twide blade. So this really hits better. So guys, this is the VGR trimmer. So I hope you like the unboxing and testing of this trimmer. So this is a really good trimmer for 15 bucks. So I'm going to modify this on my next video, so please stay tuned. If you have questions, just comment below, and I'm going to answer those questions on my next vlog after modification. So thank you for watching. Sampitz the Hobby Barber signing out.